Welcome to How to Play Throwing Sevens. To play, you will need 6 dice and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to avoid scoring points. A player's turn consists of up to 3 dice rolls. When 2 dice add up to 7, they are set aside. At the end of a turn, the player scores the amount of dice that were not set aside. The game begins with a player rolling all 6 dice. If any 2 dice add up to 7, the player will set those 2 dice aside. The player can then choose to roll the remaining dice or score for the remaining dice. Wade decides to roll again. After the second roll, any 2 dice that add up to 7 are set aside. Wade decides to roll one final time. The remaining dice are added up and scored. Wade scores 9 points for this turn. Because Wade used all 3 rolls, Diana and Peter will also get all 3 rolls for this round. Diana takes 2 rolls and has 5 points remaining. Diana can roll a third time but decides to stop and score the 5 points. Play moves to Peter. Peter rolls all 3 times and ends up with 10 points for the turn. For the second round, Diana will get to start and set the roll amount. Diana decides to take all 3 rolls and scores 9 points for this round. Play moves to Peter. Players will continue to roll and score points. If the first player of the round ever uses less than 3 rolls, every other player can only use the same amount of rolls or less for that round. When a player's score hits or goes over 77 points, they are out of the game. The last player remaining in the game is the winner. If you enjoyed learning how to play Throwing Sevens and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.